Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting in Moultrie, Georgia, with some commentary for the 10th of March. It's not quite 2:30 Eastern time, but everything's pretty much calmed down right now. Unfortunately, cotton has made it 9 days in a row of lower closings. We actually gapped lower again today. That's to say between Tuesday's low and today's high is a gap, and we did the same thing between Monday and Tuesday. So we're I don't know that we're exactly in a free fall. I don't see the heavy volume of it. I think the market's breaking simply because there is a lack of buying and not so much heavy-duty selling. But nonetheless, we are down. And it seems to us the market is definitely bent on maybe even testing its old lows. And then at that point, maybe we'll get a little spring jerk to the upside. One reason, of course, for the come down is yesterday's crop report really didn't give us much bullish to go on. They raised global carryout 200,000 bales, left the U.S. unchanged. Prior to that, we know China had canceled 100,000 bales sale, besides reporting some poor economic data throughout most of the month of February and into March. And then the U.S. dollar is just screaming out the roof. As a matter of fact, the dollar is approaching 100. That's parity. And there's a lot of talk that the dollar and the euro currency will trade even money on these business channels. But of course, that's something we talked about weeks and weeks ago. At any rate, the strong dollar and the perceived weakness in China is what's been kind of banging on cotton a little bit. But as I say, I'm pretty sure cotton can go lower over time, but we're getting close to some point in here right now. Longer term, we could see cotton trade in the 40s in my mind. As you look out to the 2015 season, of course, we don't know what acres are, and I understand all that. But the two big obstacles for cotton is the record carryout of 110 million bales plus this strong dollar. So those are two big enemies that new crop cotton will have to face. Grains higher today. I think the fact they're a little oversold and got some support out of the crop report. They cut the corn carryout a little bit. They're already talking about some dryness in Kansas, Oklahoma, across the plains out there. It may be a little premature to get jumped up on that, but nonetheless, we're seeing some back buying coming in. Beans are up 10 cents today, wheat up 7 cents, and corn up about 3 cents. So, the grains are just going to bide their time to those acres numbers coming, I suppose. We fell out to new lows in crude, not new lows for the move in crude oil, although right now crude's trying to get back unchanged. So, again, all that related to the strong dollar. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.